You can move to Canada in 10 days. Yes, you heard that right, 10 days. So if you're a worker seeking to migrate to Canada and you feel like the processing time takes too long, you may want to look at this pathway. This is a special pathway and the work permit is fast-tracked, so you can get your work permit in as little as 10 days. And on this pathway, you don't need to write IELTS. There's no English requirements for this. You can move with your family, and after 1 year, you can be eligible to apply for permanent residency. This is really good. So if you're interested in moving to Canada as a worker, then you need to watch this video. I'm going to be letting you know what this pathway is, who is eligible to apply, how to apply, and every other information that is going to guide you on this process. So if we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and this is Jackie Travels. On this channel, I share content to help you relocate abroad, to study, to work, and to live. My mission on this channel is basically to help you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities available to you abroad. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then you may want to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you know every time I share a new video. Right now on my channel, I have so many videos that you can watch on how to migrate to so many countries. I have videos on New Zealand, how to migrate to the UK, to the Netherlands, to Ireland, Japan, Australia, Portugal, so many of them. So you may want to check my channel, to know your options. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks for the support. Thank you for sharing, for the likes, for the comments. And if you've been watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe, I would really love to have you as a subscriber. It would mean so much to me if you subscribe to my channel. I mean, obviously you like my content. That is why you keep coming back. So please hit the subscribe button and join the family. Canadian employers are currently having a tough time filling roles in specialized occupations. So they are looking to hire foreign workers, and they are doing this through the global talent stream. Through this pathway, Canadian employers are able to get work permits for foreign workers in as little as 2 weeks. So what is a global talent stream? This GTS is a stream that allows Canadian employers to expedite the hiring of foreign workers to fill specialized occupations when Canadians or permanent residents aren't available for specific roles. This global talent stream is Canada's answer to an economy in need of highly skilled workers. Canada aims to process GTS work permit application in only 2 weeks, making the program the fastest immigration pathway for eligible workers seeking a new life in Canada. The Global Talent Streams applications are processed under the Temporary Foreign Workers Program, that is the TFWP, a collection of work permit streams that brings newcomers to Canada on temporary work permits to fill specific labor needs. The GTS is the wing of the TFWP for highly skilled workers in specialized occupations, prioritizing those with experience in engineering and tech-related fields. Canada is currently experiencing the highest job vacancy rate in decades. So that is why the country is trying its possible best to fill up so many positions that are currently vacant. So this GTS is one of the many ways Canada welcomes foreign workers. So through the GTS, employers in Canada are able to fill positions quickly. And then good news for foreign workers also, because they can move down to Canada quickly to begin their new jobs. So how do you apply for the GTS? So for foreign workers, what you need to do is to assess your skills and check that you qualify for this pathway. It is important to understand that you can't directly apply to the GTS. Only Canadian employers can apply for the GTS. They apply to the GTS to become designated and to obtain labor market impact assessments, so they may hire foreign workers. So the first step you need to do is to check if you qualify as a highly skilled worker according to the criteria listed in Category A and Category B. Category A is the designated partner referral. For this category, Canadian employers must be referred by one of the GTS designated partner organizations and be hiring unique and specialized talent. So what is considered unique and specialized talent? Foreign workers hired must demonstrate advanced knowledge of the industry through either a postgraduate degree in a specialized area or at least 5 years of experience in a specialized position, plus they must be paid a minimum of 80,000 Canadian dollars per year or higher if the annual prevailing salary for the occupation is above this level. Once the Canadian employer finds the foreign candidates that they want to hire, they must then find a designated referral partner to vouch for them by consulting one of the designated partners. So there's a list of designated partners for this GTS stream. The designated referral partner will check to see if the employer has a focus on innovation and is capable of growing and expanding. And then for category B, which I believe that most people will take advantage of this particular one, is called the in-demand occupations. For this category, a Canadian employer can hire a highly skilled foreign worker in an occupation that features on the global talent occupation list. The worker must earn a salary equal to or above the prevailing wage rate for the job position. Now, there is a list of global talent occupations. So let me go through some of the occupations that are on this list. We have computer and information system managers. We have computer engineers, mathematicians, information systems analysts and consultants, database analysts and data administrators, software engineers and designers, computer programmers and interactive media developers, web designers and developers, computer network technicians, information systems testing technicians, producer, technical, creative, and artistic director and project manager, digital media designers. So these are the occupations on the global talent occupations list. Okay, so now that you've assessed to find out that you qualify for the stream, the next thing you need to do is to secure a job offer and land a job. So you must obtain a job offer from an employer in Canada who qualifies for the GTS under category A and category B. So you need to find a job. So you can go online and apply for jobs. You can check LinkedIn and Indeed and other job sites in Canada where you can find jobs. And then when you land a job, you now move to step 3, which is to make the application, the Canadian work permit. So you need to prepare a work permit application that includes your job offer letter and a copy of the LMIA given to you by your employer. You will also need a police clearance certificate and a medical exam to apply for your visa. So after you've submitted all your documents, your work permit application will be processed in as little as 10 business days, and you'll soon be working in Canada. On this pathway, you can migrate with your dependents, so your spouse and children, will join you to Canada on this pathway. The processing fee for this GTS work permit is 1,000 Canadian dollars and is going to be paid by the employer. So this processing fee is sponsored by the employer. The applicant is not required to pay for the processing. You can get more information about this global talent stream on the Canadian immigration website. And if you qualify for it, then you can go ahead to take advantage of this pathway. It's a very good way to move to Canada fast. Let me know what you think about this pathway in the comment section. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments if you found this video valuable, and also give it a like. The likes really help, so please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not already. And thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I will see you in my next video.